Welcome to MyRank YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about Vedic Mathematics third sutra, which is Urdhva Tiryagbhyam 1. This sutra means vertically and crosswise, and this method is used for multiplying numbers, particularly useful for larger numbers like 56 into 66, 11 into 36, 198 into 891, and etc. Let us see the process of multiplication of two digits by cross multiplication. Vertical multiplication means multiplying the digits vertically, that is, leftmost digits of the two numbers, then the next digits, and so on. Crosswise multiplication means multiplying the digits crosswise and add the products. Arrange and carry. Arrange the products and carry over as needed. Now, let us look into how to find the product of 13 into 12. Step 1. Vertical multiplication. That means multiplication of both the unit digits. That is 3 into 2 equal to 6. So, 6 is the first digit. Step 2. Crosswise multiplication. That means multiply 1 by 2 and 3 by 1. That is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So 5 is the second digit. Step 3. Vertical multiplication. Multiply 1 by 1. That is 1 into 1 equal to 1. So 1 is the third digit. Hence the combined answer is 156. Example 1. Finding the product of 26 into 35. Step 1. Vertical multiplication. That means multiplication of both the unit digits. That is 6 into 5 equal to 30. So, first digit is 0 and 3 is carried over. Step 2. Crosswise multiplication. That means multiply 2 by 5 and 6 by 3 and add. That is 2 into 5 plus 6 into 3 equal to 10 plus 18 equal to 28 plus 3, which is carried over, equal to 31. So, second digit is 1 and 3 is carried over. Step 3. Vertical multiplication. That means multiply 2 by 3, 2 into 3 equal to 6. 6 plus 3, which is carried over, equal to 9. So 9 is third digit. Hence, the combined answer is 26 into 35 equal to 910. Two. Finding the product of 124 into 132. Step 1. Vertical multiplication. That means multiplication of both the unit digits. That is 4 into 2 equal to 8. So 8 is the first digit. Step 2. Crosswise multiplication. That means multiply 2 by 2 and 3 by 4 and add. Is 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4 equal to 4 plus 12 equal to 16. So second digit is 6 and 1 is carried over. Step 3. Crosswise multiplication. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 1 into 4 equal to 2 plus 6 plus 4 equal to 12. The carried over 1 of first step is added. That means 12 plus 1 equal to 13. So, third digit is 3 and 1 is carried over. Step 4. Crosswise multiplication. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. The carried over 1 of second step is added. That means 5 plus 1 equal to 6. So, fourth digit is 6. Step 5. Vertical multiplication. Multiply 1 by 1 is 1. Last digit equal to 1. Now, the combined answer is 124 into 132, which equal to 16368. Here are few more examples. For complete free Vedic Math package, please feel free to contact us.